ikot ta. So itong sa Tagsaon, over here there's Cansaga Bay, and there's the Cansaga Bay Bridge, right? So basta padung ta sa heart of Mandaue City. There you go. So over here you can see Bay Hotel and the Mandani Bay cluster. So there's Bay Hotel and Mandani Bay. Atras ta, we've got the CDU buildings. Kita dari ang city lights dari sa bukid. And atras pa ta, we've got saan naman eh? Patultol. So, asan ang Robinson's Galleria ni? I think siguro maklaro ang Galleria here. So this is saan nga cluster? This is the Cebu IT Park cluster. So makita diri ang this one is the Marco Polo, ang residences. We've got the new itong Neville Hills, Neville Tower. So ubusan na mo ng IT Park. Okay. So we see SM City Cebu and Radisson Blu. Here we got the Cebu Exchange, Waterfront Cebu City Hotel. Then we have the Cebu Business Park cluster. Here we got the Masters Tower. So doon na kaya ang Ayala Center Cebu, somewhere over here. So mga tower sa Cebu Business Park. Tagas na siya tanawon buyag-buyag. Further padong sa Midtown, you've got the current tallest man siguro, if I'm not mistaken, Horizons 101. Siyang atubangan is ang Winland Towers. Atras pa kita padung sa Fuente area. So nadara ang Crown Regency. Ug ang katong Baseline cluster. So padung ta sa Midtown gyud. And then you can see the CCLEX. Atras na ta going to the SRP area. So kani nga Twin Tower mo maguro ning so ini siya. Arc Towers ba ni? Kalimot, I'm not sure. So over here we can kani guro ang I'm not sure asan na ni. Kaning two buildings mo reg sa kuan ni. Sakto. Kaning two towers is ang pavilion sa Esquina-Banawa, Guadalupe, and next is the Sundance pa. Itong another condo. Heading backwards pa good towards the SRP. You can see SM City Cebu. Asan ang SM City Cebu? There's SM City Cebu. Of course, New Star. So there's Pond F. There's Il Corso and City de Mari. There's the Talisay Fishport. And going to Talisay and the rest of the metro. So this is it. Very nice ang view here sa tops here sa Barangay Busay. You should check it out.